So I got a piece of leaf spring steel from a broken ATV trailer. We're gonna go ahead and heat that up. We're gonna try to turn it into a knife. There we go. You know, there's a common myth amongst metal workers that files should only be used in one direction. Turns out that's not true. Works a whole lot better if you do it in both directions. Like the look of that. There you go, one hole done. Now we need some wood for the handle. It's looking pretty good. All right, we're gonna stretch the leather out a little bit. There we go, the knife and sheath.